guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to secure network traffic. So let's get into the video now. So the first thing is you want to search up firewall, and you want to hit this one, and you want to maximize it, and you want to go into connection security rules, right click, new rule, and I'm gonna so you're gonna hit what connection type you want. So I'm gonna hit on custom. I'm gonna hit next. This is your choice, by the way. Right here I'm just gonna hit next because I don't have any IP addresses that I can do on other computers, so I'm just gonna hit next right here. I am going to I'm just gonna keep this. I'm gonna probably keep this. When do you want authentication to occur? Do not authenticate. Yeah, okay. One thing I want to say is make sure you have the same settings as me. I don't know if it would work without, but yeah. Next thing I want to do is I'm just gonna hit this on any, because this is the ports and stuff, like your USB ports and stuff. If like any rules come, like it would say oh, this happened and this happened, and you have to like secure it. So I might go back to requirements, and I might hit request authentication for inbound and outbound connections. So I might hit that and hit next. So inbound is basically saying like it's basically like inputting your USB into your computer. So that's what it means and stuff. So it would ask you to authenticate your stuff, what you plug in, and if someone like plugs in anything, or like I don't know what they do, like plugs in anything, they would have to secure it first. What authentication method would you like to use? Default. Okay, yeah, the ports part. This part I would just hit next if I was you guys. I don't really know at this point what I should do. This will be an IPsec, so make sure you and so that's the whole point of this. Like it will give you an IPsec right here. It won't give you like anything else. It is called an IPsec. It like secures network traffic. So if someone wants to hack, they have to like put in like passwords and emails and stuff like that. But if I want to plug in a USB port that has all my data in it, I'm just gonna keep it on any and stuff. So I'm just gonna hit on next. Then what does this rule apply? Oh, this is a hard one. This is a your choice rule basically. I would just keep it as all three if you want. So domain is basically applies when a computer applies when a computer is connected to its corporate domain. Private applies when a computer is connected to a private network location, such as a home or workplace. And public, that's pretty self-explanatory, applies when the computer is connected to a public network location. So I'm going to hit it on all three. So if I plug in my USB port while I'm connected to home internet, it will ask me to authenticate. If I plug in it with my USB on the public network, then it would also authenticate. And domain, same thing. I'm gonna hit next. Nearly done. And once we're in here, you have to make a name and a description. I'm gonna hit it as, I'm just gonna name it here because this is gonna be an IPsec, which will basically protect your it's not an IP address or anything. So it will make an IPsec in your what do you call it, firewall. It will make an IPsec, but yeah. So it's I'm gonna name it IPsec 4. Oh wait, 4. There we go. Description XYZ because this is an example, and finish. And this will protect anything that say you import something from, say you have your friend's computer, yeah. This, if you plug in, you want to give them a PowerPoint, say that. If your say this is my friend's computer right here, and I plug in a USB port, it'll make all the noises and it'll give me like this thing and stuff, or like the settings, and like it will say, do you want to authenticate it? That won't happen if you don't have one of these. Make sure to please have one of these, because you never know. Maybe one day some virus will come and it auto puts a port in your computer. I don't know, but and you need to secure it. But if people don't know how to secure it, you can't get hacked or anything, or they can't put viruses in your computer. So definitely make sure to put this setting on. You can also right click and delete, copy, cut, disable rule, which will disable it for an amount of time. You can select that. I'm not going to do that. Help, I don't know. I'm going to hit on properties, and you can literally change the ports and stuff right here. So say I wanted to change something, I will go into here and click on something. I don't know what you want to hit it, and you'll see like lots of IP, like IPv6, 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 IP, yeah, and stuff like that, like all capital letters and stuff. I'm just gonna hit on any, cause that's the type of port you're having. So yeah, but and I'm just gonna keep mine as IPsec, cause it's better that way, and I know what it is, and yeah. So that's just basically all you have to do to secure your computer from other networks. That like, so you can actually you can actually secure your computer to from other computers on the same network as you. So definitely make sure to do this. And yeah, but if you want, go ahead and change some of these. So say I wanted to do private, I would hit on that and press apply, then okay. I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm just going to hit apply and then okay. There you go. And that's all it would do. If you want to really test this out to see if it will work, you do need another machine to do this. So make sure to have another machine. I don't have another machine on me right now, but that is the end of today's very short video. I tried to make this as quick as possible because it's not a big topic to cover, but it is pretty important in some scenarios, so make sure to do this. But anyway, that is the end of today's video, guys. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Make sure to share, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.